technical architect in one of the leading IT companies, and I am here to speak about ProjectPro platform. We use Project Pro extensively in our projects to build MVPs to demonstrate our skill set to the clients. Before Project Pro, we used to struggle a lot to get the right people with the right skill set who can build those MVPs for us. Um, After using Project Pro, life has become very easy. We are able to build MVPs in real quick time, and we are able to demonstrate the capabilities to our clients pretty quickly. The turnaround time has really reduced. Project Pro provides you step-by-step procedure on executing some of the latest technologies available in the market for big data processing, for AI and ML applications, real-time streaming. We have used Project Pro for building MVPs, building a end-to-end ETL pipeline using AWS EMR, using sentiment analysis by leveraging data from Twitter, building forecasting model using time series and LTSN networks. So Project Pro has all these industry relevant use cases which you can follow along using their demo videos. It's very easy because they provide a code base for that as well, along with step-by-step process on uh, how to go about building the total solution. We have used Project Pro platform to build Twitter sentiment analysis, which basically helps us to get the satisfaction rating of customers. One of the new projects that we are working on is building a resume filter service, and that project is available on Project Pro as well. I would highly recommend any organization to give Project Pro a try. It will help them reduce their development life cycle from weeks to days. Thank you.